Hello, my name is Nicholas Stefanelli. I will just screencast this 8th assignment. So, for the gems to appear, I created the gem spawner here. It is pretty same as the coin spawner as suggested. With the condition, it has a small range here, random, in order to reduce the chance of spawning, not as it happens with coins here. The structure is the same numerator with the coroutine here. And then we've got the gem class here. It is pretty same as the coin, with the exception with the trigger. I just call this pickup gem instead of the pickup coin in the LE controller here. And with other 5 coins instead of 1. In different with the coin without 5. And then I attached this gem script here to the prefab we built of the gem here. As we can see, I attached the gem script here with sync light and everything. So, well, and for the speed bug, I just noticed as the hint was given here, this price cover was related to the speed. It was endlessly incremented by 1 at the random circumstance. And in order to reset here, I just took the game over. When this was triggered, I just put 10 float, which is the original value here, to the spawner class, which assigned that value to every instance of that class. So that resets the speed of everything when we lose. So in order to demo here this, I will start playing. There we can see a gem, and if we pick it, we have 5 coins. And you can see the gem is not spawning every time. It spawns with a rare condition, not so often as with coins. As you can see here, it's not spawning. And there we got one. Oh, I just missed it. And as you can see, coins and buildings are scrolling faster. And if we lose, as you can see here, take notice of the speed. If we press spacebar, you can see the speed reset again. The buildings are slower. The same happens with the coin. So well, that would be everything. Thank you.